Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook in iPhone. So let's begin. Now as you can see, I'm in my Facebook. Now first I'll need to go to my menu. So after clicking menu, click on your profile. Now from the profile, click on three dots right over here. And after clicking on three dots, you can simply scroll down and you will find turn on professional mode right over here. Now after you click on turn on, you will be able to turn on professional mode for your profile. Now after turning on professional mode, you will be able to monetize your content and earn from Facebook. So as you can see, I'll click next. And then after selecting everything, in review section, select confirm. Now I don't want to update my profile frame, so I will click skip. If you want to update your profile frame, you can click on next. So after skipping, as you can see, I'm ready to start using professional mode. Now I can go to professional dashboard and I'll be able to see all of the professional information for my profile. So guys, that's how you can turn on professional mode on Facebook in iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.